Hello, awesome artists. So today during class we talked about something called value. Value is how light or dark something is. And sometimes we need to create value when we're drawing. So we're going to do a little practice exercise called making a value scale. And here's an example of one right here. So basically, this is what it's called, the value scale. We're going to draw a rectangle and make a few separations in it, and then we're going to draw or color our different values. When a value is darker, we call it a shade, and then if we make it lighter, we call it a tint. Okay? So you're going to follow along, and you could do your value scale with a pencil, you could do it with a crayon, either of those would work. A colored pencil would work too. So first of all, you need to have a rectangle. So you're going to draw a rectangle, a long, skinny rectangle, right? And then you're going to separate it so it has 3 sections. So we're going to draw one vertical line around there and another vertical line around there. Kind of looks like a Band-Aid, right? Then I need to choose my pencil or crayon, and I think I'm going to choose a green crayon that I have. And I'm going to start by doing my medium color first, and then I will make a shade and a tint of that green, okay? So to do my kind of medium green, I'm just doing kind of regular pressure. I'm not pushing down really softly. I'm not pushing down really hard. Okay, so that is just my green hue. The name of the color is a hue, and we call this particular hue green. Then we're going to do our shade. Okay, we're going to do the shade on this side. So see how I did it before? We want to make the shade a darker version of that color. So to do that, I got to push down a lot harder. I got to apply a lot of pressure with my crayon or pencil, if that's what you're using. Okay, but you got to push down a lot harder. That's going to make that color look darker and create a shade. Okay. And like I said before, a hue is another important vocabulary word. That's just whatever the name of the color is. The name of the color. What is the name of our color here? It's green, right? So in this case, our hue is green. Okay, let's make a tint. I'm going to write tint on this side. A tint is a lighter version of that color, of my hue. So I'm going to color really softly, really softly. I'm just letting the weight of my crayon be my pressure. Okay, so can you tell how that one looks lighter? This one is the lightest. This one is a little darker, and that one's really dark. I could actually make my middle one just a little bit darker now if I want, so that it's darker than this one, but still lighter than my shade, right? Okay, guys, so that's what I want you to try doing. That's a practice in how to make our value scale, okay? And it can be any color you want, or pencil. Pencil is fine too, okay? So you're going to do that and turn that in, and then you're also going to do your drawing of the little bat. That's in the other video. All right, see you soon.